We got more cleaning to do with Super Clean. Next. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. Now for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. New to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of that valuable time out to view. I truly appreciate that. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified when the videos do come out. In this video, we got more Super Clean. Yes, in this video, we're going to test Super Clean in some more scenarios. This can is an aerosol version of the very first video, which I'm still struggling to get it done. It just isn't coming out right. But when I do, the first video of these two should be up here. I just can't get it out. It's just not working well. With that said, this is the second video, and this is easier to get it out. Why, I don't know. So we're going to test the aerosol version of the first product that I'm still struggling to get out. Since I used the first product to actually clean the shower enclosure in my house, I thought, why not try it on windows? So I tested it on the window. We're going to test it to clean the engine in my car. I have a travel trailer hitch that has like these little stabilizer bars you connect to it. Extremely greasy. It's been greased for many, many years, never been cleaned. It's just bad. It's time to clean it off. It's not unhooking, disconnecting smoothly anymore. Just needs to be cleaned so I can re-grease it. So we're going to use this to see how clean I can get it. And then this is an all-wheel cleaner. We're going to test it on a couple of different wheels, scrub the tires and wheels and the rims and see how it comes out. So we're going to test it on that. But let's just dive into it, and I'll be back at the end to talk a little more. Now I'm back out here. I did that video in the evening. I actually washed the car at night because it's like 108 out today. Now it's really bright out, so you can actually see how clean this tire is. You sprayed it on, the foam, you can see it lifted all the dirt out of a lot of these crevices. Normally I would have to take a brush and scrub in here and get all of it out. But this did a fantastic job. The directions were correct. You spray it on, give it about 30 seconds to work. I use a soft brush to scrub around and scrub the hubcap. Hubcap itself, I would normally have to do this by hand and get in here and get all this clean. But this, I mean, it's amazing how clean it got, even in all these little areas. I mean, it's nothing. It's just amazing. Perfect. All four of my wheels look nice, so now all I'm going to do is put some tire dressing on them. Normally, after cleaning the wheels, I'd spray some of my dressing on, and I get a little dirt because it wouldn't be able to get all of that out of here. That stuff Took it all out. Look at that. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. I would normally get, you could see some of this would be almost dirty coming up out here, going through all these fine little ridges in here. Nothing. This is, I am really impressed, boy. I definitely going to use this stuff to clean my wheels more often. Yeah, look at that. No dirt's coming out of those at all. Nice. I like this stuff. Ooh, the ground's hot. I can't put my knee down there. Yeah. Yeah. I would, just doing this, it would pull some of the dirt left in these little ridges in this tire, and this nothing's brought up. It is clean, and I am blown away about that. Oh, nice. And there we have it. That's the after. Once I have my tire dressing on, you can see really looks nice, and no dirt, even in the fine little ridges of that tire. It was super clean. Yeah. Everything worked. I am so impressed with Super Clean. Unbelievable. If you watch it to this far in the video, congratulations, because I will tell you something right now. I like Super Clean so much, I'm going to do something. I'm going to give away a bottle of this and a can of this. One person. But only if this video gets 500 views. That's the only stipulation. So you have to like it to get it out on the algorithm. Share it, subscribe, ring the bell. All that has to be done to get this video out there so more people view it. And you have to comment in the comments below, yes. Just give me a simple yes that you want this. When and if I hit 500 views, then and only then will I send these out. This is at my expense. I am so impressed with this product. I am going to do that for you. This is great for your car, tires and wheels. This will take care of degreasing the engine, cleaning the windows, cleaning dirty hitches. You will find a ton of uses for this stuff, okay? I am impressed that much. Engine came out clean. Window came out clean. Got all the calcium streaks on the outside off completely clear now. Beautiful looking out. I can see everything without looking between the streaks. Nice. And it cleaned that hitch. Now that hitch is very, very dirty because it is a hitch that tows my travel trailer with. It has the stabilizer bars on it. The hitch ball, you grease it, grease these, everything's greasy, dirty. It's been on for many years. It's never been clean, and it's to the point where it doesn't disconnect smoothly. It's just stuck. The grease is just, it's not grease, it's like hard and crystallized or something. It's bad. Had to clean it to the point where I actually had to get a chisel and scrape off in the corner stuff because I couldn't get it off. Used the brush and the razor, scrape everything off. Came out, as you saw, very, very clean. It's not going to be picturesque because it is a hitch. It's been used. It's ding, banged, but it is clean. Clean now to re-grease. That's the only downfall, but it makes it much easier to disconnect, connect, and that's the reasoning behind it. Nice and clean, put new grease on so it works smoothly. This took care of everything. And as you saw, and I'll have to admit, I was a little hesitant to use this on my wife's rims. I didn't want it to fade, streak, or do something to the rims. Didn't. Follow the directions. Follow the directions. Spray it on 30 seconds. Don't want to leave it on very long. It could damage it maybe. I don't know. I'm not taking that chance. Used a soft brush, scrubbed everything, and then main thing to take away from this, as far as I am concerned, the tires on my little car have those very, very fine ribs along the edge of the sidewall. When I would put the tire dressing on, you see how it foamed? It was clean. Normally, and I would use Comet, spray it on a brush and scrub the tires, and I would still, after it was dried, I would put this on and the foam a little bit right there, that would turn brown because I still had dirt in those little fine ribs. It's hard to get it all out. This, it took it all out. That in alone was enough to convince me. Boom, okay? Very, very good. Sprayed it on. Didn't even have to use a hard bristle brush, soft brush. Went around the tire, got it on the rims, rinse it off. Oh my gosh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. So there you have it. 2 more successes. Super Clean. Power of the purple! Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. Music for your sanity. You don't have to break a sweat to get it clean. See you in the next video.